Hi, hello. Today we've come to this place called Dundas Peak, and it's a hiking trail. So it's beginning of fall, so we're just expecting to see a little bit of fall colors, but unfortunately it's heavily raining today. You need to do your reservations online, and it has to be done like at least a week in advance. If you're planning to do it for the weekends, make it at least 1 week in advance. But if you want to skip the rush, just plan something on a weekday, and it's going to be a good hike. Let's check it out. So yeah, we have reached the Dundas Peak now, and it's a solid 20 minutes hike. Probably if you walk fast, you might finish it up in like 15 minutes also. But the hike is pretty decent. It's not like a difficult hike. It's like pretty flat and plain, and it's easy. I in fact hiked with my kid, and it's pretty easy one, but the view here is really good, and probably if I had waited for another week, the colors would be even more better, I guess. Just have a look at these colors.